What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'll be going over the October 4th trade. I took two trades, one in the morning and one in the PM session. Let's get to it. Yeah. These videos are meant for educational purposes only. Any trades taken in the financial markets are under your own discretion. The information taught should be demoed and only taken to live accounts under your own responsibility. E is profitable, will not be held liable for anything you do with the information presented. All right, guys. So when I woke up at around 7 o'clock a.m. At this point, the market had been bullish throughout Asia and London. Let's go down to the 5 minutes. So at the 5 minute time frame, I noticed where the market actually created a London peak, which I went ahead and marked as buy side liquidity. I also noticed that on the 5 minute time frame, we had a 5 minute order block that I'll go ahead and mark here for you. So that was perfect. Let's move down to the 1 minute time frame. All right, on the 1 minute time frame, so a few things that I want to highlight. Number one, in my previous video, I mentioned that you should always pay attention to when price action looks like this. You see how this is like an algorithmic glitch. These two candles had equal highs, 3750.1, 3750.1. So that's too clean, too perfect. About 70% of the times when price action looks that way, the algorithm tends to go back and attack it. All right, so another thing I noticed was that the market had created trendline liquidity. That is a strong indicator that the market will go back to attack that area. So that was the second thing I noticed. Third thing I noticed is that the market had taken out short-term buy-side liquidity, so I'll mark that as HT for highs taken. The market had also taken out short-term liquidity, so I'll mark that as LT for lows taken. So we see that during London, it created a high with an algorithmic glitch. It came down, took out short-term buy-side, highs taken, took out short-term sell side, lows taken, tapped right into that 5 minute order block. And what did we do? We waited for a reaction, and that's exactly what we got. We got a reaction to the upside. We see where it created this 1 minute fair value gap, which was absolutely perfect for us. And you see where it took out short-term market structure, created that 1 minute fair value gap, price tapped into that area twice, giving you two opportunities to get in on buys. That is exactly where I got. My first TP was at these highs where buy side liquidity was sitting. My second TP was at these previous day highs. And those always serve as magnets, so definitely pay attention to that. So that was a phenomenal trade. It was mentioned in my Telegram channel, so definitely check that out. All right, guys, so for trade two, what I did is I waited for the market to expand. I immediately marked my buy side liquidity. I know that for the most part, most retail traders think that the market has reached a peak and they start to look for shorts. On the 5 minute time frame, I then noticed that we had this 5 minute fair value gap, but this did look beautiful to me. I saw that the market tapped right into that, and then it started to break higher. All right, so I then found a perfect opportunity here to get in on some buys on this 1 minute order block with my specific entry criteria. We got into some buys here with the TP at these highs. So those were the two trades I took. Again, the one in the morning attacking buy side, and the one in the PM session also attacking buy side. So that's one thing you always want to pay attention to, is for the most part, when you see price action retrace during lunchtime, it is usually setting you up for a continuation. Most people think that the market is breaking down and it's going to reverse, and that is not true. So again, make sure you guys are back testing, make sure you guys are analyzing your charts, start to recognize these patterns, because a lot of these patterns do repeat over and over. All right, guys, so good luck with your trading. I hope that this was insightful, and stay vigilant, guys. You have a good one.